Get out of your head. Stop thinking. We don't learn from inaction. We learn in action. How do you know how to hire the right people in your business? You hire people. And yeah, you hire the wrong people. How do you know what works in marketing? You spend money and time on marketing, and you spend money and time on marketing that doesn't work. That is precisely how you find stuff that works. That's how you find the best employees. That's how you find the best business ideas, is you actually go. You live in a constant, perpetual state of action, okay? A board meeting is never gonna change your life. What do I mean by that? I mean, sitting down and contemplating and drawing up a pro and con analysis of every decision you make in your life is going to slow you down. Make the decision now. Decide what it is you're gonna do, test it, and bounce around. Bounce rapidly, and be happy as you bounce. Smile when you hit the wall and when your face hits the ground. And just know that every time that you hit the ground is an opportunity for you to see why one of your teeth got chipped. And hey, with today's technology, you can fix that chipped tooth. Trust me. And it's better to have a chipped tooth than to have a perfect line of teeth that have never had a ding in them, because the dings teach you how to not get another ding in the future. So you gotta move a lot faster with your decision making. This is the key, is as you're contemplating decisions in your life, there's someone else in your market making those same decisions. There's someone else out there who is not contemplating everything. There's someone else out there who is smoking you right now. So put the pedal to the metal. Car accidents usually only happen when you're on the brakes. So accelerate. Actually spend the money. Actually spend the time. Actually push yourself to learn through example and through action what does and doesn't work. You don't find your passion. You discover your passion by trying a lot of crap and failing and making a ton of mistakes. So you have to stop overthinking. Sell some of your IQ points. If you have a high IQ, sell it to someone else. Stop being the smartest person in the room. Enough is enough. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You want to know what billionaires typically have in common? They're dumber than you. They just take more action than you. And actually being dumber is a good thing, because it means you're going to actually learn through real scar tissue. Steve Jobs said it best. We have the scar tissue to prove it, he said in one of his keynotes, in one of their big lessons around Apple. They have real scar tissue. You know how you learn what people want to buy? You sell stuff. You go in action and you actually see what the marketplace tells you people want to buy. You don't do focus groups or market testing. I made this mistake 1,000,001 times. You create an idea for a product. You promote it. You sell it, and you see, what do people say about this product that I just put out? And then, newsflash, you improve the product through what they say they don't like. So customer complaints, people complaining about you, people complaining about your product or service, is free feedback on how to improve your product or service. Think about how magical this is. You can go out into the marketplace, try something new, sell the idea of it, see how it resonates, and save yourself years of contemplating, years of overthinking, and compress decades into days. That's my invitation to you. So my very specific question is as follows. What do you have to stop overthinking and start overdoing in your life? I know this is my number one secret that I used to scale from a 0 to a $45 million net worth in less than 4.5 years by age 30. I used this exact action principle at every single juncture. And you know what happens? After you take big action, you get soft and you stop taking big actions. So you have to constantly remind yourself that you are one commitment away from the next version of you. So make that next commitment right now if you're committed to advancing your life at a faster pace. Check the description of the video. If there's any links there, download all of them, and also comment on this video your biggest takeaway and any videos you want me to make additional content on, and give a thumbs up and actually take action on what I just asked you to do so you don't just passive learn throughout these videos. My name is Bill Hauser. I'll see you in the next video. I'm here to double your life in less than 12 months. Stay great.